Will Bitcoin continue to go higher, or will we see Bitcoin dropping further down to the downside in the next upcoming few days? So that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video, I told you guys, okay, pretty much why we are in fact seeing, Bitcoin moving or the crypto market moving is because pretty much, right, Donald Trump, okay, during his speech, okay, as we know, yesterday we did in fact see the Trump inauguration, okay. So that happened, and during that speech, right, Donald Trump, okay, didn't mention Bitcoin or crypto, okay, at all during his speech, which was pretty disappointing. Okay, maybe that's why we're not seeing Bitcoin having a huge pump, okay, having a huge rally. Same with the crypto market. But understand, guys, okay, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, understand we're still in a bull run. We're not entering a bear market or anything like that, right? We're still in a bull market. Please understand that. So like what I told you guys, okay, in my most previous video, we're gonna see Bitcoin going parabolic. Same with altcoins, as we know, alt season is right around the corner, guys. Okay, we're gonna see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, and that's gonna be a huge signal for alt season. So I hope you guys are ready for that. So let's talk about it. Okay, there is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys. But before I show you guys, okay, I want to give you guys a quick update on what is exactly happening right now with crypto and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, guys, okay, just below $105,000. So it's currently at 104.8, okay, $1,000. So, Bitcoin, okay, still hasn't really been moving. Okay, we're not seeing a huge push up to the upside yet. Even though, okay, about 2 days ago, right, we did actually see Bitcoin, okay, reaching a new high of $109,000. It went as high as 109.3. So that was, amazing to see coming up to the Trump inauguration. Okay, but when Trump did the speech, okay, we didn't see, a rally. We actually saw, okay, a correction. So yeah, this was pretty much, sell the news event, right? But don't you guys worry, okay, Bitcoin will eventually, bounce back up. I'm telling you guys right now, okay, Bitcoin will bounce back up. Okay, we're gonna see a massive parabolic move happening for Bitcoin and altcoins. So yes, we're gonna see Bitcoin, okay, going back up to its previous all-time highs, even reaching a new high. Okay, for sure. So Bitcoin holders, be prepared for that. Now, the crypto market today, okay, it's slightly up, okay, over 3%. Global crypto market cap back above, okay, 3.6 trillion, okay, so 3.62 trillion right now. So that's absolutely amazing to see. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin slightly up today. Ethereum still not really moving, okay, and yeah, Ethereum has not really been moving, it hasn't really been doing anything at all, which is insane because Bitcoin has been pumping way more than something like Ethereum, and I would have expected Ethereum by now to be at its previous highs, even potentially even reaching a new high, right above $5,000 at least, because we have seen Bitcoin breaking new highs. Okay, for the past few months, I don't know why Ethereum hasn't really been moving, right? Maybe everyone's moving to Solana, okay, because the volume for Solana has been rising much more, something like Ethereum, okay. But don't you guys worry, as I told you guys many times, okay, Ethereum is going to be reaching new highs for sure, right? So be ready for that, guys. Keep your eyes on Ethereum because it will reach new highs. So please be prepared for that. Now XRP is up 2%. Solana today is up 7%, bouncing back up, looking pretty good today for Solana. Dogecoin's up 5%, looking pretty good for Doge. Cardano is slightly up as well. Chainlink is up 6%, looking amazing for Chainlink. Avalanche is up over 3%. Sui is up over 5%. So yeah, a fair few alts are pumping. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. So that's amazing to see. But yeah, everything will skyrocket, guys. Okay, so be ready for that. Okay, now the Bitcoin monthly returns. Bitcoin so far is up over 10%. Okay, it's up over 12%. Okay, almost 12.2%. Okay, so looking pretty good for Bitcoin. Okay, the last time I gave you guys an update on this, I believe Bitcoin was up like 8%. Now it's at 12%. So, it's looking pretty good. Okay, everything is on track. And I really do believe, okay, in the next few days, we will see this going much higher to 20%, even over 20%. Okay, I do believe that is very possible. Remember the start of this month of January, okay, start of the New Year's of 2025, it was a slow start, but right now, okay, I really do believe everything is going to gain back its momentum, and we're gonna see everything rip up to the upside. So guys, be ready for that. Now I want to talk about this real quick. Okay, so here's an update on the Bitcoin strategic reserve. So apparently there's a total of 12 states, okay, that are leading the charge to push a strategic Bitcoin reserve bill. Okay, so states like there's a few here. Okay, there's Alabama. Okay, there's Florida. Okay, Pennsylvania, Ohio, North Dakota. Okay, Texas, Utah, and Arizona, and many more. Right. So these states, okay, they are in fact planning a Bitcoin reserve. Okay, so that is huge, guys, and we know, okay, a Bitcoin reserve is about to happen. Okay, all over, the United States. Okay, so this is going to be huge news, guys, and once we actually see this happening, okay, yes, it's going to drive the price up for Bitcoin to, 400K to even $500,000. Okay, I've been telling you guys many times, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, like Bitcoin reaching 500K this bull run, that will be insane. So I'm 50-50 on that. Okay, I want to be transparent with you guys. I think it's safe to say that we will for sure see Bitcoin reaching at least 200K to even like 300K, and I believe 400K is pretty possible as well. But Bitcoin reaching 500K, with the Bitcoin strategic reserve, I think it's very possible. Okay, so we will see. Okay, gradually, then suddenly. Okay, now real quick. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is going to drop, guys. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance is about to fall off a clip. Get ready for massive altcoin gains. Okay, so guys, everyone that has been buying altcoins, get ready, be prepared, because soon enough, okay, we're gonna see a lot of alts, the large caps, the low caps, skyrocketing. So I truly do hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance is going to drop, and you guys can clearly see in the past, back in 2021, even back in 2017, we saw the Bitcoin dominance dropping like crazy, and that led to all season. Okay, the crypto total market cap started to pump. Okay, so when the Bitcoin dominance starts dropping, this is what happens, right? With the crypto total market cap, okay, we do in fact see a run up. So understand, okay, right now it is in fact at its previous, all-time high back in 2021, right? Our last, alt season. But yeah, understand it's going to be reaching a new high. It's going to go much higher compared to where it is right now. Okay, so guys, be ready for alt season. Okay, the crypto total market cap is going to be reaching new highs, so get ready for that. Now, crypto retail interest is skyrocketing. They are about to pump our altcoin bags 10x easily. This will trigger altcoin season. So guys, we know, okay, everyone is going to foam it in. Everyone that is not buying into crypto right now, that will eventually foam it in. Whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's altcoins, they're generally going to foam it in. So understand, guys, the retail interest is going to have a spike. Okay, we're going to have a spike, right, for, retail interest. Okay, and yes, we're going to see a lot of FOMO. This always happens, guys. Okay, every single time during a bull run, during a bull market, we always see retail interest spiking, right? So guys, okay, everything is going to pump. Okay, Bitcoin will pump and altcoins will skyrocket. Okay, and people will foam it in. For some reason, a lot of people, okay, they like to buy in when we're in the greens, when it's pumping, when everyone's talking about it, right? But that is not the best time to buy. The best time to buy is in red days, right? And crashes, when we see corrections, when it's quiet, not everyone's really talking about it. Okay, that is obviously the best time to buy in. But a lot of people like to do the complete opposite, right? Now, guys, okay, if you believe the Bitcoin top is already in, you're a fool. Okay, and yes, I agree. Okay, really understand, guys, we are nowhere near the top. Okay, this bull run is, okay, just the beginning. We are truly right at the beginning of this bull run, so understand, okay, like, this is just the beginning. We're going to see Bitcoin going much higher, okay, and it's going to be reaching new highs. 200K, 300K to 400K, it is very, very possible. Even $500,000 is very, very possible. I really do believe once we see the Bitcoin strategic reserve happening, yes, that's going to push the price for Bitcoin up to those 500K levels and maybe even higher than that. It is possible, right? We never know, guys. So be ready for that, right? So understand, for everyone out there that thinks, we're entering the bear market right now. Okay, everyone that thinks, the bull market, that's it, we're in the top right now. Understand, just look at this chart. We are nowhere near the top. This is truly just the beginning. Bitcoin is truly about to go much, much higher. Okay, so Bitcoin, okay, in the next few months, right, February, even March, we know those months will be amazing, and you guys can clearly see right over here. Usually the month of February, March, they are in fact great months. So I really do believe, okay, in the next upcoming few weeks, few months, okay, throughout February especially, and of course March, it's going to be some fantastic times for Bitcoin and crypto. So I truly do hope you guys are ready for it, because yes, we will see Bitcoin reaching 110, 120 to 150 and higher in the next upcoming few weeks. So be ready for that. Now, this is actually pretty interesting, and it says here, if you're still waiting to buy Bitcoin, don't be surprised if it runs away from you in the next 5 to 10 days. This time last year, Bitcoin formed a similar trading pattern, then went up 52% in 28 days, which is insane. That would push Bitcoin to about $160,000 by the end of February if it repeated. Okay, so if we do see another 52% move up to the upside for Bitcoin, that's going to push Bitcoin to 160. Okay, and obviously that's going to, be Bitcoin's new all-time high. Okay, when this day does come, yes, we will see Bitcoin reaching 160. I think that is very, very possible. It's easily going to happen. That's an easy price target. Even 180 to even 200K, it is very, very possible as well. So guys, Bitcoin holders, be ready for this parabolic move. Okay, this parabolic move that we are in fact about to see for Bitcoin. Okay, now Michael Saylor, right, bought more Bitcoin. So MicroStrategy has acquired 11,000 Bitcoins. So these guys, they're not stopping. It seems like they cannot get enough of Bitcoins, right? They're still continuing to buy. And as retail investors, okay, when we see stuff like this, that's just how you guys know it's still a great time to buy some Bitcoin. Okay, MicroStrategy / Marcus Saylor, they understand where Bitcoin will be heading in the future, and that's why they are in fact accumulating a whole bunch of Bitcoin. Right, so yes, MicroStrategy has acquired 11,000 Bitcoins. Okay, that's about $1.1 billion at the price of 101.1 Bitcoin. And they now hodl 461,000 Bitcoins, which is insane. 461,000 Bitcoins, guys, okay? They're coming up to 500,000 Bitcoins, which is, fantastic to see. So MicroStrategy, okay, the largest company out there that holds the most Bitcoin, clearly they don't have enough and they're still buying more, right? They think they don't have enough, so they are in fact continuing to DCA into Bitcoin, okay? So as retail investors, this is exactly what we should be doing, as well as loading up as much Bitcoin / Satoshis as we possibly can, okay? So that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin and crypto. But today, okay, we're not seeing huge moves yet, but understand a massive parabolic move is going to be happening for the crypto market. So I hope you guys are ready for that. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up and of course subscribe. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.